folks. Today I just wanted to share this low sugar keto cookie dough like recipe. These are the main ingredients here. Choczero has a ton of different syrups that they're all pretty good. I typically stay with the caramel for this. This Perfect Keto Collagen really helps get the cookie dough type of texture to it. Depending on the way that I'm doing it, I'll either use these peanut butter baking chips and I'll melt them for about 30 seconds, stir them up. Don't overheat them. But anyways, I'll melt the baking chips, peanut butter baking chips. Then I'll add the Perfect Keto peanut butter keto collagen. You can also use strawberry too if you want to try to go for like a peanut butter and jelly flavor, but this peanut butter one is good. And then you mix it liberally with this caramel syrup to give you a really great cookie dough, texture, flavor. And then after that, I'll throw in these chocolate chips from Choczero. And you can look them up via the links, and you can see there what they've got going on in the ingredients here. Obviously, strict ketoans will notice that, it's halfway decent, but you've got to limit your the volume you take in, and that's true. I think that the keto collagen though is pretty solid. You can see the ingredients down here. Pause it if you want to. And then these syrups, again, you gotta watch how much of this stuff you use, but it's fantastic. And if you're having maybe a cheat weekend type thing or want a dessert, this will help you from going totally, out of whack. Another thing I want to share, sometimes I'll add this fire in a bottle, the stearic acid. There's a lot of good resources out there showing where this might help ignite some metabolism, but I think that we all know that the true benefit of keto is when we're staying with eggs and meats and that type of stuff, and really having as close to zero carbs as we can. But again, sometimes that sweet tooth gets the better of us. Long story short, I just want to share this item, and I'll see if I can share the final result with you later. Thanks. Just take 1 scoop of the collagen. You can mix peanut butter in with this as well if you'd like. It's a little hard for me to do both at one time. Liberally add your syrup. I'm gonna mix this one. Now we'll take these chocolate chips and add those in. And you can see the consistency can get a little mixed up. So again, try it with peanut butter if you'd like to, depending on what you like. I always like to add a little bit more syrup on top of this to help me mix in the chocolate chips well. All right, so now I've mixed it up. Just wanted to give you a little idea of the consistency there, what it looks like. Tastes great. Best of luck. Just another idea for you when you're trying to go low sugar. Thanks.